seems to be testing us freelancers. I was somewhat supportive once they made Connects limited back in 2019 and eventually even made them paid. But more recently, they seem to be making it so we need to buy a shit ton of Connects just to be on the platform. With the introduction of boosted proposals, the availability badge. By the way, let me know if you'd like to see a video on that. I do have some hot takes on that too. But the question everyone seems to be asking right now is, should I boost my proposals? Is it even worth it? Let's find out. So the other day I was wanting to find some UGC work since I've been loving doing that lately. So naturally I took to Upwork to find a couple of jobs to apply to. I ended up sending 3 proposals, 2 organic, so non-boosted, and 1 that I boosted with some connects. Can you guess what happened? Pause the video right now and let me know that in the comments. I'll wait. You're done? Great! Let's look into it then. The first proposal was an organic one, so I didn't boost this one at all. Let's read what it said. Hey, here's a video proposal I recorded just for you. And then I linked a Loom video, as you should always do, in my opinion. Then I said, you can see some of my past work here. And then I linked to my UGC portfolio on my website. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help. Quick, short, and simple. I like to do that with my proposals. I like to keep them short and include a video whenever possible. Check out my proposal review series if you want to learn more about that process. So this quick and easy proposal, it got seen by the client. They interviewed me for it, and I'm currently waiting for a decision on their part. The second one we have, which is also unboosted, reads, hey, I recorded a quick video intro just for you, so exactly like the other one. Oh, and I forgot to mention, but I love content repurposing, so I would be happy to help you with that bit as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Looking forward to hearing from you. P.S. My bid is for the initial 4 videos, not just 1. And then they ask, please share examples of your TikTok videos. And I said you can find my UGC portfolio here. And again, I linked my portfolio. This one was once again seen by the client. They interviewed me about it, and they literally hired me the following day. And we've done a couple projects together already. So good starting point, I guess. Now, the third proposal I mentioned, this is the boosted one. So this one reads the same as the other ones. Hey, I recorded a quick video intro just for you. Loom link. Here's my UGC portfolio in case you want to see past examples of my work. UGC link. Looking forward to hearing from you. Pretty much the exact same as the first one. And this one, it was, first of all, never seen by the client. Great to know. And the client also seems to be inactive. Now, this may be a mistake on my part, but I'm pretty sure I submitted a proposal right when it was posted. If we look at the graph, so if you go to find work on Upwork and then my stats, you can see the graph right at the bottom of the proposals you sent. And we can confirm from this that the 3 proposals sent, 1 was boosted, 2 were organic, and the 2 organic were viewed and interviewed me, and 1 of those hired me. But hey, that's a very short sample. Like I said, it could have just been a fluke that I applied to an active job. But let's look at a longer timeline. So the whole of 2023 so far, I had 12 proposals sent altogether, 8 organic and 4 boosted, so a larger sample pool. And again, I know I don't send many proposals. I honestly get invited to most jobs. So I got invited for 67 jobs in 2023 and I applied to 12. Out of those 12 proposals I sent, 4 of them got viewed. So the client clicked on it and viewed the proposal. 3 of those were organic and 1 of those was boosted. Then out of those 4, 3 interviewed me, 2 organic and 1 boosted. So I lost 1 organic somewhere in the middle. Maybe the proposal sucked or they just didn't like me, whatever. And out of those 3 that interviewed me, 1 of them hired me. Can you guess which? You probably already know if you watched the video so far, but it was an organic one. And again, it's not a super large sample. I totally admit that, but it does raise the question, does boosting actually work? If you ask me, not really. I honestly think that the quality of your proposal especially that first sentence, is the most important part. But also making sure that a job is good to apply to in the first place, because you don't want to do like me and apply to a dead-end job. Or that job. Dead-end job is different. Whatever. You want to make sure that the client is active. You want to compare when they posted the job versus when they last looked at the job. You want to confirm that they haven't received 50 proposals already, because that's probably a little bit too much competition for most people. And you also want to make sure that they're not already interviewing a shit ton of freelancers. If they're already interviewing like 10 or 20 freelancers, it's probably a bit late to join the party. Oh, and by the way, if you've seen they hired already, of course, just don't apply to that one, move on to the next. And again, the most common mistake I see freelancers make out there is they put together a quick proposal, they send it to a lot of different jobs with minor, if any, tweaks at all, or they just copy and paste from a template. Please don't do that. And then they just send that to any random jobs that they can find. And they think, yeah, there's strength in numbers, I guess. When in reality, it's not just a numbers game. It's quality over quantity, always. And of course, the more proposals you send, the more data you'll have. So for example, in these stats that I showed you, the more proposals you have sent, the easier it will get to see which of them are performing better than others. But they all need to be thought through. So if you can send 50 good proposals, it's better to send 10 good ones than 50 bad ones. On that note, make sure to check out the last proposal review I did so you can see me review a subscriber's proposal, and I'll see you there.